There we go.
I felt that in my whole body.
Oh.
Oh my God. Wow, that felt so good.
I just toss and turn throughout the night. It works. So.
Have you seen this one?
No.
Yeah, drop your head down for me.
Felt good.
That was good. Anything like what you expected?
I didn't know what to.
Yeah.
It's kind of like going into surgery. You don't know what the fuck's gonna happen.
First one. Nice, really big one. Nice.
That was weird.
What'd you think, dude?
Yeah, I don't even know.
He's gotta process it for sure. You're in cosmetology school,
Yes.
right? So what is that like? Are you bending over a lot or have
Bending over, standing a lot. Right now, we're kind of sitting a lot too, like Monday through Wednesday, and then standing Thursday through Friday.
There we go. Good.
Feels
Feel okay?
good, yeah.
Big one.
I felt that one.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh my goodness.
Have you had that one before?
No, I've had the one like where you lay down and then like twist your neck, but that was it.
Nice. Another new one.
Yes, yes.
There we go. Nice.
I've never had like I've always seen them on TikTok, but I've never had like the shoulders.
How do you feel? How was it?
Great. I feel
Good?
so good. I feel loose.
Which one was your favorite?
The back one, like when you.
Yeah, okay. Still your favorite?
Yeah.
But you like the magic hug too, right? That was a pretty good one?
Yeah, that one felt good on my neck.
Okay, cool. Awesome. How have you been feeling?
Same shit.
Same shit, different day.
Mm-hmm.
How's your neck been?
Now it's not too bad. I would say earlier in the week I had a lot of like muscle tension.
Uh-huh. Good.
Thought that one was good.
They really do look like Buzz Lightyears.
Yeah.
All good? How you feeling?
I feel pretty damn good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty damn good. I like
Good
it.
way to start Wednesday.
For sure, for sure.
With the stress of like school, always being hunched over at a computer, and then of course weightlifting, it's
Yeah.
a lot of stress on my body.
There we go.
I felt that in my whole body.
Ooh.
There we go. We didn't do that one last time,
No, I
did we?
love that one. It's a place that you normally can't pop yourself.
Yeah. Yep. That was a good one.
I love that one.
There we go.
Whoa.
There we go.
That is so crazy.
Nice.
I think it just grew an inch.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
Good?
Thank you. Yeah.
Good adjustment?
Yes. I
Awesome.
feel like a new person.
I love it. All right. What's bringing you in? What do you have going on?
My hips and my upper back, my lower back, everything hurts.
Literally everything.
hurts. Yeah.
Very nice one there.
That was good.
Very nice. Wow. That was really good.
Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Pop my head too.
Yeah. Well, that side went easy.
Yeah, that was good.
There we go. I mean, that was as easy as it gets.
These are great.
Oh, we got a little one.
Yeah.
We got so much out of your mid back. Do you ever pop your own neck?
Every day. I don't think I did it today, but
Okay.
I also might not remember.
Still feels locked up. Oh yeah.
There we go.
That was a really good one.
Yeah, that felt great.
What's going on? Like, do you have any trouble areas, or you're just kind of looking to see what it's all about, right?
Yeah, basically my lower back, mid back is pretty jacked up, but I just want to, you know, get a little crack down, see what it's about.
Get a little crack down, yeah.
Oh, it's already
Oh my goodness.
Hallelujah.
I heard that.
I felt that.
Oh. Drastic difference from right to left.
Seriously.
Oh my god.
That is crazy.
This is what I'm talking about. This is what a chiropractor should be doing. Shout out to
Respect.
you. Yeah, shout out to you, for real.
All right, what do you have going on? What's giving you trouble? It sounds like a lot.
Yeah, so the military's done a lot. So it's basically like my whole neck, my whole entire back, my hips, my knees, and sometimes my wrists. So most of the time I get like a lot of tension headaches. Actually, every day I get them.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, pretty frequent.
And then my back always hurts.
Oh my gosh. There it is. Good.
That was so nice.
Good God.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my God. Wow, that felt so good.
That one was just, that was a little tiny one.
That felt so good though.
There we go. Nice. She's pretty crunchy.
Yeah, no, I'm very crunchy.
How do you feel? First adjustment ever.
Like a brand new woman. I
Cool.
feel like I can go do my job now.
Yeah,
I won't
literally.
wake up hating my life.
Time to go chase everybody down.
Right?